What's going on, billionaires? Shane here with another exclusive video. And today we got another analysis of GBPJPY. All right, we're going to go for the week of May 29th. Month ends this week, heading into the new month, the summer months of the year. So let's see what we got. We're going to take a look. Go ahead and start right off with GJ. Looking at this here, something that I am paying attention to is going to be our monthly time frame. Right, something that I'm going to be paying close attention to is how this monthly candle closes. Okay, if we get a bearish engulfing candle here on the month, I'm looking for this price to keep coming down. If this price just leaves more of a wick here, I can see, next month coming in bullish and going ahead and breaking higher. Right, so this wick that we have here shows us that price did attempt to pull back. We could get a fill of this candle. And that would be price coming bearish and then going up. Or we could, price could have just wicked down here for a quick retest and be looking to continue its move onto the upside. So that's something I'll be paying close attention to. Again, then the month starts on Wednesday, right? So if you can, make sure you go ahead and take a look at that. Dropping into our weekly time frames, right? We can see that price attempted to move slightly bullish last week. Really not too much movement at all from GJ last week. In total, moving about 300 pips on a week. But as we can see, this is a doji candle, so really not too much movement, right? But we can see this doji, and this doji candle also did not fill the wick that was right before it. All right, so looking at this new week, I'm curious to see what happens here. Just looking at these three candles here, I'm kind of curious to see what price does, right? Because it is still around this neckline of this head and shoulders pattern that we have marked up, right? But we can see here that price appears to have found a support on top of this line that we have drawn in here, right? So I'm curious to see what happens this week. We could definitely see price push up. Looking at this price, right, what I could potentially see happening, excuse me, what I could potentially see happening, right? Price held its support. We had this doji, and then we could see this candle finding support right on top of this neckline. I can consider this as a support being held, and this price to just go ahead and, begin to make its way moving up. If that is the case, I have a zone, a 4-hour zone around 163,700 level that I'll be paying attention to for a possible rejection. We'll see once it gets there. Or, right, this price can come in if it wants to break lower, possible retest, and then if it does, I'm looking for 156,600 retest to see how that holds, right? But looking at this, it appears that price did find some support right around here where I have this yellow line, and we can see a support was here, and then we can also see these wicks tap into here, and now we see price looking to have found some support. So I can really see price potentially moving up. But we'll always remember to stay objective. We'll be trading what we see and not what we think. Moving into this new week, looking to have, a nice, strong summer couple of months, and we'll see what we get. So I hope this video was helpful. Hope it gave y'all some insight for next week, some things to look out for, some things that could be potentially happening. And if you watch this video to this point, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the channel, right? We'll be here. I drop analysis every week for the past maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 months. So I drop this weekly analysis every week. Y'all can count on it. As well as hit the like button. If y'all want to see more from me, hit the like button. It keeps me going, as well as being able to know, if y'all liking the videos. If y'all not, leave a comment. Tell me what you think, what you like, what you don't like. And make sure you go ahead and join the Discord channel. Working to get, a bunch of people in there building the community. So if you're ready to tap in, if you want to tap in with community, other traders, want to learn, want to gain some insight, just go ahead and join the Discord. But all of that being said, really go do it. Don't just watch me have said that and then not do it. All right. But that's our markup for this week, May 29th. Remember to stay objective. Hope everybody has a great week in the markets, and I'll catch y'all next week. Love.